words.
Eagle.
Eagle. Eagle.
The eagle is a bird of prey, which means it hunts other creatures for food.
Toucan.
Toucan. Toucan.
The toucan is famous for its long and colorful bill.
Pelican.
Pelican. Pelican.
The pelican has a large pouch under its beak, which it uses as a net to capture food.
Crane.
Crane. Crane.
The crane is a large bird with long legs and a long neck. Eagle.
Eagle. Toucan.
Toucan.
Pelican.
Pelican.
Crane.
Crane. Parrot.
Parrot. Parrot.
Many parrots spend their lives with only one mate.
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker.
The woodpecker hammers at tree trunks with its bill. Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock.
The peacock can spread his long, colorful tail feathers in a fan shape. Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
The hummingbird feeds from a flower.
Owl.
Owl. Owl.
The owl has very large eyes that give it sharp night vision.
Crow.
Crow. Crow.
The crow is eating fruit on the tree branch.
Parrot.
Parrot. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Owl.
Owl.
Crow.
Crow.